You're welcome to this page. I'm basically going to be giving you a brief overview of everything that is inside my freelance digital skill toolkit and what you stand to gain if you get it today. My name is Coach Benga Matthew. I'm a top online marketer who has helped brands and individuals basically to grow their business and get more customers using several online skills like advertising, copywriting, web designs, and so on. I have generated over 300 million for my clients in the past 5 years. I have coached several others, over 5,000 people, to learn online skills and start making money online. The aim of my freelance digital skill toolkit is to provide you with up to date education on the top online skills that anybody right now should learn. These are online skills that will make your life move forward and make it easier for you to get better and make more money online and start generating six figures for yourself. Here are testimonies of people that I have trained over the years. You too can change your story today by getting your own beginner freelance digital skill toolkit today by clicking the button below. This offer is wholly for today, and you will never and never see this kind of opportunity on the internet again. So you click the button below and contact me on WhatsApp, or you purchase it directly on Seller.